Hey, check this out. My sugarcane after only 5 months is already about 11 feet tall. I'm gonna show you how I did it. All right, so growing sugarcane is pretty straightforward. The way I like to do it is I like to dig a pit, and digging a pit down about 5 inches or so will allow you to have plenty of room for your cuttings. And I like to use 2-node cuttings. You could probably do single node cuttings, and the node is the bump that has the embryonic growth. Like you can see here, I just chopped them up, put them in the pit, and then I covered them with soil. And in about, and this is about 5 months, 4.5, 5 months later, as you can see, here's my sugarcane. It's about probably 1.5 inches thick, and it still has a ways to go. I mean, I'd probably give it at least 9 months, if not a year. If you're somewhere in zone 9, you could probably pull this off. If you're in zone 8, I might have to harvest as winter approaches. I still have a few months though. And you can see how tall it is, outstretching my arm. I'm 6'3", and I still can't reach the top. So I think these are about 10.5, 11, 12 feet tall or something. My pergola is about 10 feet tall. So it's already grown pretty tall. And I imagine it's probably getting at least another inch tall or so. You can see all my loofah vines in the background. And I put this little cage around it just so my dog isn't tempted to nibble on them. And I like to clean off some of these leaves on the lower end just because I use this also as an ornamental. And I like the look of these when you can see the sugarcane a little bit. So I clean up the bottom couple feet of these with the leaves as they start to yellow. I just peel them off. Usually photosynthesis is going to slow down and stop as they start turning yellow. So if you want to pull them off, you can without damaging the plant. But as you can see, they're doing pretty well. Some of those look a little rough just because we had monsoon where the wind was about 60 to 70 miles an hour, and so it whipped these around pretty good. That's why one of these looks like it's fallen over. But yeah, they're getting pretty thick, which means they're accumulating sugar stores. And I think in nature, these things probably fall over. And when they fall over and get covered with soil, then they just spread and sprout more sugarcane. That's how the plant kind of clones itself. So anyway, hope this helps you grow tons of sugarcane. Thanks for watching.